first weekend at hometown greeted us with a pleasant weather. My place is mostly humid, so if an unseasonal rain brings mercury few degrees down, then samjho it's a bliss. And no doubts, thoughts will pop up for a short outing, and it wasn't different in our case. Though the weather was pleasant and it was drizzling when we started, but on the beach it turned a bit harsh. As we had Ruhi with us, we chose to return early rather staying long there. Hardly outings go as per the plan. On the way back to home, we went to a temple which is located near to my father's office. The place is less known to the crowd, but if you step in, the serenity of the place will definitely blow you away. This small temple away from the city was surrounded by lush green trees, mountains, a typical Bollywood movie type scenic spot, calmed my senses. I stepped into a temple after nearly 7 months, but really, I can feel the power, the divinity. It is out of the world. I bowed down in front of the God with gratification, thanking Him for being with us in this difficult time, and of course begged to keep His blessings forever. Ruhi walked in an open air without fear. She enjoyed it to the fullest and also valued the little joys that came on her way. On our way back, we craved for some quick bites, and Brahmapur is a town which is famous for such eateries. So we stopped by at a dhaba to grab some. We ordered some paneer pakoras and gave our taste buds a treat over the gossips. In my family, a trip is considered to be incomplete without clicks in different heroic poses. There are some from our outing. Have a look. The outing was instant, and so the video came out short, but there was a satisfaction deep inside the heart. I hope you liked this vlog. If so, please don't forget to like and comment. Also, the bell icon will not let you miss my new uploads, so don't miss out on clicking that too. Meet you soon with a new vlog. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.